to the first book you read as a child, a book that brought forth a fascinating world, a book that made you want to travel. Remember the books that opened your mind to the fact that there were other places, other cities, towns, villages, hills and valleys, places different from your world. Which book painted such vivid images? Oh, the thrill of it all, the joy of reading books that planted the seeds of wanderlust in our young minds.
Good morning, Miss Lewis. It's great to see you.
Hello, Wendy and Warren. Isn't it a beautiful day?
Sure is, Miss Lewis. Is that why you are so happy?
No. I'm sure. I overheard Miss Lewis talking about books. Books make her happy.
And what is wanderlust, Miss Lewis?
Well, in simple words, it is a desire to travel. The seeds of wanderlust are planted young, almost always by the stories that take hold of the imagination of children and lead them to undiscovered lands.
Oh, do take us to those wonderful places, Miss Lewis.
Very well. Let's sit down and let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a little boy and a girl whose father would tell them a story every night. Stories of princes and princesses, or fairies with wings of silver, or children solving mysteries, or traveling to distant lands.
Wow, how exciting!
Yes, indeed. And back at school, the children would spend hours in the library enjoying the wonderful stories.
And I'm sure they made many new friends.
Yes, and so today, let me take you on a fascinating journey through the world of books and introduce you to some wonderful friends. Here they come now.
And these are my friends, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear.
Hello.
Aren't you the girl who ate Baby Bear's porridge, sat in her chair, broke it, and then slept in her bed?
Oh, never mind. We were happy to meet Goldilocks. You see, we bears are happy with just the bare necessities.
You must be Snow White.
And you are so beautiful.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of us all?
Surely not you.
Of course I'm beautiful. Am I not Snow White?
Yes, you're so pretty. I did love to stay, but I must be on my way, or the dwarfs will be worried about me. Oh, don't eat the apple. It might be poisoned. Oh, don't worry. These are from our garden. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Goodbye, friends.
Bye, Snow White.